Okay, so let's say we want to display the list in a Vuetify way. So instead of having this native UL, we want a list, and each item in the list is going to be, you guessed that, the list item. All right, so this is what a list looks like in Vuetify. What we could do is also wrap this, and actually the card text, I believe this is how you set the contents of the card, so that we can do form. All right, let's see what that did. All right, still in business. I'm going to put here a couple BRs so you can tell the difference in between the cards. All right, and let's also change this list a little bit. Something like that. We could probably do something different, but you can tell by using Vuetify's API or their components and classes, we can have different layouts and not worry too much about creating our own components, cards and buttons and inputs. I think this is valuable when you don't have your own design system. In my opinion, it eventually pays off, but it really depends on your use case. All right, so I'm going to refresh the page because we have 41 errors here, and I'm going to see, okay, we got rid of those, so nothing wrong is happening yet. Let's remove this because we don't really need it anymore, and that is on the main HTML. All right, and just remember, this is going to be here, client main.html. We also modified this, as you can tell. The application itself lives within this, remember? Awesome. So let's go back to the app. So here we can probably have the H1. As for the gridding over here, we can probably remove it as well. Just don't forget to do it if you are liking this content. All right. All right, so let's do after fixing layout and then the price 300. If I hit enter, this is not gonna work anymore. And let's see if we can change that. What about adding this type back and then trying again? There you go. That was it. Right, so the application is still working the same. We could probably change order and do the Vue card first. And actually, instead of doing the BRs, what we could do is set the margin bottom for the top card to be something other than 0. So if we do 1, this is what you get, this little gap here, but you could go up to however many space you need. And this is given by, again, the Vuetify classes.